Good morning. Finally, day has arrived. Clearing our fence, putting a new fence to actually get some security going. So yeah, so I'm not sure how long this will take. We're gonna do whatever we can do today, do whatever we can do tomorrow, put the clip on next week. So remember to subscribe so you can see how it is. We'll see how far we got, and next weekend we'll carry on and on until the fence is done. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be sad. We can be a summer story with dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my
not
So-
finished.
No, this is a what? To be continued.
Yes, we continue.
Right. So we did about 25% of where we need to get to.
Yes.
So yeah, so this is Saturday and Sunday's work done. Next week again. So let's see. Is there going to be over 3 videos, 4 videos? I don't know.
There's still quite a bit to do.
A lot.
Yeah.
And it's going to get a bit harder and then easier and harder.
But
of
we'll get
everything.
there.
We're going to get there. But anyway,
Then we're going to do this fence as well.
yes.
So yeah.
But that's for the future.
Yes.
Right, so to see it, remember, subscribe, like,
Thumbs up.
get the notifications.
Yes.
Right. Thank
Thanks,
you guys.
guys.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye.